Hi, my name is Helen Taranenko and I am one of the CELTA tutors at Grade Education Center. Let's talk about positive attitude to new information and new approaches. I've seen this situation many times. Successful, experienced teachers, well, they had difficulty accepting something new ideas. They had decided to take the CELTA course because they wanted to develop professionally. They became CELTA trainees and they thought that they knew exactly how to teach the class. Suddenly, their tutors asked them to do something very differently. And the teachers said, no, it's impossible. And they were trying to explain why it wasn't possible. So, open your mind to changes. Experiment, ask questions, analyze the results. Don't be afraid trying something new. And well, that's what you need to succeed in the CELTA course. One of my ex-trainees said once, every day after a CELTA day, I feel as if I were a different person. And this is what you need. So please open your mind to changes and the course will be successful.